I'm going to show you how to fix Atelier Ryza issue. So for the first step, you should go to the search and then type in NVIDIA. Open this NVIDIA app. After that, all you have to do is to go to the left menu and select the driver's icon and select the download and install button in order to update your driver for the graphics card. Next, go to the Windows icon. After that, go to settings. Now go to Windows Update, bottom left corner, and make sure to download available updates you will find. Next, go to the Windows taskbar, right click and then select Task Manager. Now go to the search and type in Steam. If you do find it running in the background, make sure to select it. Right click and click in task. After that, you can see the CPU and memory usages. Keep them below 100%, both of them. So you need to scroll through all these processes available. If you do have some useless apps, you can just select them, right click and then in task. Now you need to open the Steam launcher again. After that, you need to go to the library and select collections. Look for the game in the left menu. If you do find it, select it. After that, click on this gear icon and click on properties. Now select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. It is important to wait for the process to finish till the end in order to ensure that you have the full original files of the game. And that's it. Hopefully the problem is fixed. Make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.